Welcome to Southern Recipes. Today we are going to see how to make mutton chuka. Let's get into the recipe. Following are the ingredients: half kg marinated mutton, 3 medium sized onions chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and 2 teaspoon pepper, 3 green chilies cut into pieces, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 cinnamon and 2 elaichis. Mutton has to be marinated with 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, a little salt and 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Now place the pan on stove. Once it's hot, pour the oil. Now add cinnamon and cardamom to the oil. Once it's roasted, add the onions to the oil. We have to saute the onions well, so we can add some salt to it so that onion gets sauteed quickly. Meanwhile, I have cooked the mutton in cooker for 6 whistles. Coming back to the onions, now we can add some curry leaves and slit green chilies and toss everything together. Now we are going to make the secret ingredient ready, which is a powder. For that, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 2 teaspoon of pepper in a pan and roast it for some time. Do not add oil to it. Once it's roasted, allow it to cool. Getting back to the onions are roasted well now. So add the ginger garlic paste and toss it well till it loses the raw smell. Now everything is blended well, so we can add the tomatoes to the mix and give everything a toss. Close the pan with a lid and let the tomatoes get cooked. Meanwhile, we'll grind the roasted items and get the secret ingredient ready, which is going to add flavor to this dish. Grind it to a fine powder and the secret ingredient is ready. Getting back to the pan, now we can see everything is cooked and blended well. So we can add half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon chili powder. Toss everything well until the raw smell goes off. Now you can see that the mixture is cooked and the oil is getting separated. So at this stage, we can add 2 teaspoons of fennel and pepper powder. Again, toss for a couple of minutes so that the raw smell goes off. Meanwhile, I have transferred the cooked mutton to a bowl from the cooker. Getting back to the pan again, now we can see the masala is dry and ready, so we can add the mutton along with the stock. We can either close the pan with a lid and cook for 10 minutes so that the water gets drained, or keep it on higher flame and get the stock drained. Since the mutton was already marinated, now it has to just get mixed with the masala and we have to drain the stock. Mutton chuka is almost ready, so we can add some coriander leaves to it and switch off the stove. So here is some pictures of the final output. Try out the recipe and pass your valuable comments. Please subscribe to Southern Recipes channel to get instant updates. Thank you.